Yeah, God forbid they sneak up. Oh, hi there. My name's Hal Schaefer, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing at SensorHub. And what I'd like to do is take this time to introduce you to our company in general, and what I'm hoping you'll agree is a marvelous investment opportunity in specific. Now, we all know that the Internet of Things is huge. In fact, it's estimated to be around $600 billion industry. And we know there are about 50 billion devices all around the world purportedly transmitting all sorts of information to all sorts of management systems. What you may not know is that the Internet of Things is suffering from a connectivity problem. A lot of sensors simply aren't connected, and a large majority of those that are connected operate on proprietary protocols and operating systems that make integration very difficult. And then you have all these wireless communications of Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, Zigbee, Bluetooth, which don't interoperate with each other. And again, these creates isolated systems, management's difficult, and a lot of things become ineffective. So what the IoT needs are universal gateways to integrate, interface, send the appropriate data to the management system so users can make the best decisions. And that's exactly what SensorHub is offering. Indeed, we've built a prototype device, and that device houses everything that a genuine universal gateway needs. It has a PC, all the ins and outs to accommodate about 16 different sensors and their protocols. It's got an analog to digital converter, network interface, onboard analytics, a video output, web server, reporting software, and its power over the Ethernet. And this prototype device basically provides for the connectivity and protocol translation and the data filtering process. So it's really the smart solution that the Internet of Things needs. So what we want to do is put a little financial muscle on our arm, if you would, and that's why we're seeking a minimum of $300,000 to take this prototype device, which is currently about a 6-inch cube, and reduce it to the size of a chip, the size of a postage stamp. And that'll also reduce the production cost from over $100 down to $10. And it'll make for easy installation. And so we believe that we can carve out a serious niche in this huge industry. But it's a very competitive industry. So what about our competition? Well, I'm glad you asked. Intel, IBM, Nextel, Nexcom, all of these companies are competing for market share. And what we need to do while we're reducing our chip is to conduct the proper market research so that not only we can identify the most suitable customers in the short term, but really identify their needs so we can satisfy them versus giving them our solution. So that way, when we're ready to go, we can hit the ground running, generate some nice revenue from the get-go, and basically scale up from there. So I'm sure you would agree that this is a huge industry. There's ample opportunity. It has a connectivity problem. They need genuine universal gateways. We've got the prototype device for such. We're not going to replace Intel by any stretch of the imagination, but we can get a nice little slice of this huge pie. So please join us and our band of merry men in connecting the Internet of Things, making the world a more efficient place and a better place for everyone. Thank you very much.